بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Brother Alauddin Ahmad has asked on the Facebook, can I speak with Allah in my own language in sajda? Please give me the answer, sir. Yes, while in the sajda in the salah, you can do dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and you can do dua in your own languages. Allah understands all the languages. As far as the basic part of the salah is concerned, we have to repeat as the Prophet taught us in Arabic. But in sajda, when you're doing the dua, you can surely do in your own language. It is permitted and that is recommended. One of the best times to do dua is in the sajda. And the best time is in tahajjud, when you're offering tahajjud. And in tahajjud, that is the last 1/3 of the night when you're praying the qiyamul layl, tahajjud. And when you do the sajda, then you do dua. That is one of the best times to do dua.
अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना वीडियो को ना भूलिए। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।